What's going on, guys? The engine's in. I got two engine mounts in right now, one on that side, one on the other side. So this is what I did. I jacked the bike up as high as it will go without the engine in it. Obviously the engine was over here on the table, and once I got the lift at its highest point, I strapped to the garage. Before I did this, I hung on the garage because I'm pretty sure I weigh more than the bike does without the engine on it. And then what I did is I strapped the back tire down like this so it can't go backward, it can't go forward, and it holds the bike down to the lift. Then all I did was slowly lower the lift, obviously loosen this, and then slowly lower the lift down. Once I did that, the whole front of the bike was up in the air and the back of the bike was down. I put my little scissor lift underneath of it, and I carried the engine from over there to over here and have my wife hold it in place while I then just jacked the lift back up until it lined up with those two bolts, put those two bolts in, and now all I have to do is just lift this lift up and swing these up to their position, adjust these adjusters right here, and start torquing the engine down. This is the new oil filter I went with. It's a high flow oil filter, and it also has these fins to help cool it, because when you put this oil pan on, you eliminate your oil cooler. This is where the oil cooler used to be at. The oil filter used to be on the oil pan, but with the Low Pros, they don't do it that way. So you lose some oil cooling. So I got that, and it's a reusable filter. It comes with this metal filter inside here. It's supposed to be better flow. It's got a magnetic pre-filter, and it's supposed to be a better filter as far as flow and oil protection. So that's what we're going with around this time. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing seated in here and get everything torqued down, and then I'm going to put this radiator on and figure out what I got to do to make this side match up with the hose, and then hand that to the welder tomorrow. And once I get the radiator back, probably sometime at the end of the week, hopefully if he's not too busy, I should be able to start it. So in the meantime, while he has the radiator, I'm going to try to get this thing all wired up, get the header on, and get everything else done that I can possibly get done, which I feel like I should be able to get everything done. And then we should be starting this engine up next weekend. Take it easy, guys. Have a good day.